So pretty safe to say that most of us as South Floridians know how to handle a car crash and the steps you got to take after an auto accident. Slip and falls are a little less common, and a lot of people obviously don't expect to slip and fall in a public area, and you don't know the steps you got to take if you've ever been injured as a result of a slip and fall in some type of commercial property or public area. The number one issue I run into as far as receiving phone calls from new prospective clients that have been injured after slipping and falling in some type of public place is that they don't report the accident. Listen guys, most of us have been there before. I understand completely. It is really embarrassing to slip and fall in a public place. A lot of people approach you, they see if you're okay, and the number one thing you want to do is just get out of there as fast as possible. And that's the number one mistake I see. Number one thing you got to do is go to a manager of the store, property manager, report the accident. Make sure that it's documented, make sure that you let them know exactly what you slipped and fell on or tripped and fell on, and make sure that it's documented. If it's not documented, then there's no way of proving that you had slipped and fallen at that specific area on that specific day, other than video surveillance and other things. Step number 2, get contact information of anybody that may have witnessed you slip and fall. That testimony will be very useful later on in your case. Number 3, if possible, make sure to take photos. If you're with somebody else, tell them please just take photos of whatever it is that I slipped and fell on. Number 4, take note of any statements made by employees. A lot of times employees will approach you after you slip and fall and make sure that you're okay, and they will say statements such as, my manager told me to clean up this area a few minutes ago and I've completely forgotten to clean it up. I am so sorry. These statements can be used against the commercial entity later on in your case. Guys, if you've ever been injured as a result of a slip and fall at any commercial area, public place, it doesn't really even have to be a store. It could be an apartment complex. It could be a park. A lot of people have that misconception that it has to be some type of place of business. It's not always the case. It could be also a sidewalk, and that would be the municipality responsible for maintaining the sidewalk. Guys, if you have any questions having to do with slip and falls, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text. I'm here to help.